In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chat overlay to OBS Studio easy. If you want your viewers' messages to appear on stream in real time, a chat overlay is the simplest way to do it. We'll pull the overlay from a streaming tool and display it in OBS as a browser source. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable chat on screen that matches your style. First, log into your Streamlabs account. This is where you manage widgets like alerts and chat. If you use Stream Elements instead, the process is very similar, so follow along and apply the same ideas in your dashboard. Next, locate the chat box widget. In Streamlabs, it's listed under widgets. Open it and look for the widget URL. This is the unique web address that renders your chat overlay. Treat it like a key to your overlay. Don't share it publicly because it can be tied to your channel settings. Before copying the URL, customize the chat box to match your stream. Choose a theme, set the message layout, enable or disable emotes, and decide how long messages stay on screen. If you want the chat to sit over gameplay, make sure the background is transparent. When you're happy with the preview, copy the widget URL. Now switch to OBS Studio. In your scene, find the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus icon, and choose Browser. A browser source lets OBS display a web page, which is exactly what your chat overlay is. Name the source something like chat so it's easy to find later, then paste your widget URL into the URL field. Leave the rest as is for now unless you've been given specific CSS by your widget provider. Set the width and height to match your canvas. A common choice is 1920 by 1080 for a full HD layout, but use whatever your base canvas resolution is in OBS. Matching these values helps the overlay render crisply and scale predictably when you position it. You can adjust font size, colors, and styles back in your Streamlabs or Stream Elements settings. Those changes update automatically in OBS after a moment. In OBS, drag the chat source to where you want it and resize using the red handles. Keep it away from important UI elements and consider locking the source once it's placed so you don't move it by accident. To verify everything, send a test message from your widget dashboard and watch it appear in OBS. That's it. You logged into Streamlabs, found and customized the chat box, copied the widget URL, added it to OBS as a browser source, set the resolution, and fine-tuned the look. Enjoy your new on-screen chat.